Okay, I'm gonna try to walk you through foil printing your cigar wraps. So step one is to go to the folder where your files are, open up the print first file. So see here where it says first print. You're just gonna open it up with your paper already loaded into your printer and hit print. Okay, and make sure your print is set to actual size, no page scaling. And this will print the background of the foil details. And now you've sent your print to your printer with just the background. This is a laser printer. It has to be a laser printer or the foil will not stick. Next, take a legal size sheet of paper and just fold it to about 8.5 inches wide on one side. And then take a piece of foil, sheet of paper, and place a piece of foil over that artwork. This will be inserted into the laminator for foiling. Insert your folded paper into your laminator. Sometimes I run the folded sheet with the foil on top of the printed cardstock through the laminator twice, just to make sure the foil adheres to the printed ink. Open up the folded paper, remove the foil from the paper, and you can see the foil has attached to the ink. Insert the paper back into the printer. Make sure it's facing the right direction so that we can print the second layer. Go back to your computer and open the second print file so you can edit your text for the cigar wrap. This may take a while to open as the file is pretty large. You can change your logo by clicking on it and browsing to your logo, or you can type in the company name by clicking type company name and typing in your name. You can change the fragrance, the name of the soap type, the weight, the ingredients, and your contact information, all by just clicking and editing this. As you edit one, it will update the other cigar wraps. Once you're done, click print. Once again, make sure it's selected to the actual size and click print. And now your print should be coming out with the foil and all of your label information. Now you're ready to cut your cigar wrap. So simply line up the sheet with your trim marks and go ahead and cut the cigars out from the paper. To print the foil stickers, the foil version of your stickers, you're going to do in 2 steps. So first, open up the front, first print and Adobe Acrobat. And you're going to go to File, hit Print. Make sure your paper is already loaded into the printer. and print it at actual size or 100% scale and hit print. Okay, your print will come out of the printer with just the background for the foil in black and white. Okay. And notice the direction that it comes out. So when you put it back in, you can put it the same way. It looks like mine, the leaf points to the top right. So pay attention to that because that'll be the way that you put it back in. Take an 8 by 14 legal sheet of paper and fold it to where you have an 8.5 inch fold. Put your label paper inside and place your foil to cover what you can. You're gonna have to run these through your printer or through your laminator a few at a time because you're only gonna be able to cover part of it at a time. Since I don't have any foil that's big enough to cover the whole thing. So we could start off with the biggest areas. I reuse my foil sometimes and then just go back and do the areas that you couldn't cover. Okay, so we're gonna go and do that now. Okay, so now we're gonna insert the paper into the laminator, folded inside a sheet of paper with the foil on top. And just let it go through. Foil part of the label, and as you can see, the foil sticks to the ink. I'll reinsert the piece of paper within the folded paper with the foil on top back into the laminator and let it go through a second time. Open up the folder again and put a little bit of foil in the areas that did not get covered and run it through the laminator again. And open the folder, and now I will remove the areas of the foil that I hadn't done before, and now they all have a little foil added to them. Label paper. Insert your foiled label paper back into the printer, making sure it's facing the right direction. Now back on your computer, go to foil sticker front, the second print with the text. And at this time, you can either click on the logo and browse to upload your logo, or you can type your company name instead and type it in here. You can change the name of the soap here, so you could do when you change the name of the soap, it updates all of the other labels. Same thing for all of the other information. You can change your weight, the kind of soap, and do all that here. And then you're ready to print. And when you print, make sure that it's set to the actual size. And we're gonna print this out a second time. So for the second print, we should be having our business information, business name, soap name, and weight, all on the front sticker along with our gold foil. Now you are ready to cut out your labels. So you would just line it up with your guides and go ahead and cut. And you can do strips at a time, which I'm lining up with my guides that are around the outside perimeter, and cut. You can go one at a time. And you have these beautiful foiled Just a little touch of glam to your label.